We need a CAT IoT module, then PIR sensor which gets shipped with this. Then we have a strip light with a connector which is shipped with this, and we have a tube light from GM. It's normal 220-volt tube light. So we need all these things to make automate mirror. Let's take a CAT IoT module here. So we have a input plus minus, and we have two output port 1 and output port 2. So these are two output port. Then we have a sensor 1 and sensor 2 port. So this is how it looks. It is very tiny and a very small module, not that bulk. It gets shipped with two PIR sensors, which can directly be connected to our module with the connector wire provided with this. If you want to extend, you can cut it and extend it. So this is how you can connect the sensor to module directly without much effort. So now I have connected both the sensors to module. Now we have this connector wire which is shipped with the module, which is connected to strip light which I have in my home, and I am connecting that to the output port 2 of this module. And yeah, this is how it looks after connecting to the output port. Now let me take one 220-volt GM tube light. This is normal tube light which I bought from store. So you can use this tube light to connect to the output port. So let me connect that and I'll show it to you how this works. Okay, so let me unscrew the screw and let me connect to the output port. Now let me connect the input port. Let me take some wires to connect to input. So I have here wire 220-volt wire. So I'm connecting phase to plus symbol and neutral to minus. Neutral to minus, yeah. Make sure it is secured. Yeah, this is how what is the setup is. You don't have to do much things. You have connected sensor port, you have connected input, you have connected two output 1 and output 2 to strip light. Yeah, you just now have to switch on the power and see how it works. So let me switch on the power. Yeah, if you see here, the sensor module has sensed the movement and it has switched on the output 1. Now it will, after some time, it will auto off and it will switch on the strip light, that is output 2, which is connected with this. So this is how this module works, and I have used this module in the mirror which I have created. So I'll just fast forward all the steps what I have done to create it, and I'll show it to you.